Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys a huge haul of Amazon jewelries. I think I ordered them like a month back and I have been planning to film this video like forever, but for some reason my plan was getting postponed and whatever I was filming wasn't looking good. Anyway, if you don't care about that, so let's stop complaining and get started with the video. But get ready because this collection is huge. All the jewelries I have today are under 600. I could have easily said that it is under 400, but there is that one piece of jewelry which is just 600 rupees. Everything else is under 400. And also at the end of the video I'm going to be showing a bonus jewelry which is from an Instagram store. I know it is not from Amazon, but this jewelry and the pages collection is so good that I had to give a shout out. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first one you guys might have already guessed is this particular necklace which I am wearing right now. This is an oxidized necklace with stones of pink and yellow alternatively placed, and it's a 3-layered. This particular piece is so versatile. You guys might have already seen me style this with a different kind of western outfits. You can style it with any solid tops or solid ethnic wear which doesn't have too much of coloring and design work going on around the neck area. I will insert a few Instagram pictures that I took with this particular jewelry over here right now so that you guys get an idea of how you can style this. But yeah, I think everybody should have this kind of an oxidized necklace in their collection so that, you know, for any occasion, whenever you have like a solid top and you don't know how to level up the styling, you can just pair it up with a necklace and it's gonna look fabulous. Next I have these pair of jhumkas which I will insert a clip over here right now. Like, they are so huge, they touch your shoulder. I saw Komal Pandey wear these and I was like, these are so pretty. Then I saw them on Amazon and I thought I need this right now. And then after I got this, I saw so many people on YouTube are actually wearing this. But yeah, these are really pretty, also very inexpensive. I think this is just for 269 rupees. I will flash all the prices on the screen right now so that you guys know exact prices. These are my favorite jhumkas. I have already paired it up with a lot of one ethnic wear with your western outfits also. Also, you should have this kind of a jhumka in your collection because this can be paired up with any top and you do not need a neck accessory. Like, if you are wearing a long jhumka that is touching your shoulder and is long enough to cover your neck, you don't need to wear a neck piece with that. Is something which I feel works every single time. Next I have a ghumru cuff style bangle. But as you can see that this one doesn't look bad. Like, it can be paired up with a lot of stuff. But the only problem which I'm facing with this is that it's not readjustable. Like, it's way too loose for me. I'm not able to press it. It's way too loose for me, and if I do this, it kind of like slides from my hand and comes off. So that is the only problem. Otherwise, I really like the material. I think if I wear it a little bit below, then it will stay tight. Yeah, like this. This is also for 299 rupees. Material is really good. I wish it was like black polish. It would have looked better if it was black polished. Too shiny, but it doesn't look that bad, honestly. Next, I have another choker kind of neck piece. Again, this is something that I wish was like black polish. This is so pretty. It can be paired up with a lot of salwar suit and kurti which doesn't have a lot of design on the neck, or if you're wearing something deep neck, then definitely you can pair it up with this one. Even with western outfits, this is gonna look really amazing. I feel like the quality is amazing, the design is amazing, and I'm obsessed with everything that is ghumru style recently, as you can see. I got something which I wasn't really very sure about. First time I'm seeing something which looks really better in real than on camera. Usually you have that expectation versus reality, where the reality is always almost 90% of the time it is worse than the expectation or what it looks online. But this is something which actually looks better in real life. This is a multicolored stoned choker necklace. I feel like this is also something which you can pair up with a lot of western outfits. With multicolored jewelries like this, you can actually pick up any outfit that matches the color of these stones. White or any light colored clothing item which is present in this particular necklace is gonna look really classy with this. Why do I keep forgetting that I have a mic now and I keep shouting? My voice is my biggest insecurity. I hate so many things about myself, but number one has to be my recorded voice. I have another beautiful neck piece, as you can see. This one actually I mainly bought so that I can style it with western outfits. I'm in the zone where I'm like styling all the neck pieces, like oxidized neck pieces, with western outfits like this, or the white shirts, or the solid color tops which is like turtleneck or halter neck or something. This is also very inexpensive. I think this is also for 400 rupees or 300 rupees, I'm not sure. Quality of it is really good, and for that price point I would definitely recommend that you get this one. Okay, the last neck piece that I have from Amazon is this. This is not a hook neck piece. Like, you can wear it straight up like this. This is something which you can pair it up with white or even black crop tops, not crop tops, sorry, what is that called, tube top. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is also pretty good. To be honest, I couldn't believe that this one was like for 300 or 400 rupees. You should definitely get this one from Amazon, because I feel like a lot of jewelries are priced much less on Amazon than anywhere else. Those were all the necklace and one bangle. Now let's move on to the earrings. I ordered this kind of a colorful chandwali pair of earrings. It was looking really pretty online. If you go and check the picture on Amazon, it looks really amazing over there, but in real it doesn't really look that good, and I'm having a hard time like pairing this up with anything. I planned on pairing this up with a kurta, but it did not look good with it, so I'm not sure whether I will return it or not. I don't think I will be able to return it now because it's already pretty late. Let me see, maybe I will buy a kurta to pair it up with this one. The main issue is the color of the metal. You know, I think this is brass color, which doesn't really look very flattering in real life and not my favorite either. So this one was just for 199 rupees. I think that is why I got it, but I'm not super satisfied with this one. The next piece which I'm going to show you is something which I had a lot of high hopes from, but I was completely disappointed. I'll tell you why. These are the earrings which has like multiple jhumkas at the end. Nowadays this is trending and I saw a lot of people wear earrings which has multiple jhumkas. So this is supposed to have 5. Okay, can you see? This is supposed to have 5, but one has 5 and the other one has 4. So I was super disappointed with this one. I really like the design. I don't feel like giving it away. It's gonna look so pretty with, and it's also of the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. Next I have 3 pairs of like western earrings. The first one you might have already seen if you are following me on Instagram. This particular pearl earring which looks so pretty. This looks so good with a lot of western outfits, rib knit, solid outfits, halter neck outfits or turtlenecks or even tube tops. This is going to look really good. One thing that I want to mention is that from the size, I'm guessing this is not going to suit if you have a small face. Don't take my words in the wrong way. I have a really large face and a lot of jewelry doesn't really look good on me. I have to wear a little bit bigger size to make that jewelry highlight. I'm not sure how to explain this, but I hope you get my point. Next I have a pair of statement hoops. Now I collect a lot of hoops and then I get bored also. I think I was forever eyeing hoops like this. These look very classy and this is perfect for pairing up with, you know, formal wears or any dress. Like you have like one piece or something, white one piece, red one piece or black one piece. These are gonna look really amazing with that. For my face size, I think this is the right size. If I wear something too small, it doesn't look good on me. These are recently my favorite hoops. I have an obsession of collecting a lot of hoops. Even if they don't look good on me, I still collect them. I'm like currently bored of all the hoops that I have except this one. I don't know whether you can see or not, but my hair is sticking to my lip gloss and it's like everywhere around my mouth. I'm probably looking funny, but please ignore that, because if I switch off my fan also, I will sweat and I will look like a hot mess and I will have to reject the video again, which I don't want to do. I want to give you guys videos, trust me. The last pair of earrings that I'm going to show right now is the most expensive among this particular haul, and that is for 600 rupees. This is also something which is going to look good with a lot of western outfits, black tube tops, white tube tops, not halter necks. I think with turtlenecks it's going to look better. This stone and chain design, it looks so pretty. Yes, it's a bit expensive. I think it is a little bit overpriced, but I'm not mad at it because it's also of good quality. Like, I will say that if you are planning to buy this, then give it a go, because it's really of good quality and you are not gonna regret it. So I'm done with all the earrings and I have one more item that is left for Amazon, which even I can't believe that I bought it. It's a set of nose pins. Okay, you get 6 nose pins and this was also for like 250 rupees. These are oxidized press-on nose pins only. I don't have any nose pin. I don't know how it's gonna look on me. Does it even look good? I don't know. I need to wear the right outfit. And also the inside is a little bit too big, so it's poking my nose. Overall, I'm happy with this nose pin. It's just that I'm wearing nose pins for the first time, so I'm a little bit uncomfortable. Before I show you the bonus jewelry, which I spoke about in the beginning of the video, I hate doing this, but I have to say that please subscribe to my channel if you have come this far. Give this video a thumbs up also. We have hit 1K very recently and I was planning to do a 1K special video for a really long time. So I thought let's do a Q&A video. So if you have have any questions, then you can go to my community tab and post a question in the comment section, or you can leave comments or questions in the comment section of this video itself. Yeah, I'm done. So yeah, this is the bonus piece of neck piece that I was talking about. Look how pretty. I mean, isn't it so amazing? This is a black polish, and I wasn't really finding anything that is black polished on Amazon or any online store, to be honest. I have searched, scoured a lot, but this kind of polish is not really available. This is having ghungru design and some oxidized pieces. Her page name is Jonaki by Shumona. I think she's an influencer and she also has a jewelry brand. You can definitely give her a shot because I'm super impressed with the quality of the jewelry as well. This is for 500 rupees, I guess, but I'm absolutely happy with whatever it is, which is gonna look so good with solid color saris. And yeah, I'm really happy about this. I will give this one a 5 out of 5, and I will definitely recommend checking her out. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you are new here, then hi. I hope you enjoyed this video and found something helpful. And by the way, all the links to these jewelries will be mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. You can follow me on my Instagram. My handle will be flashing somewhere on screen, and also it will be mentioned in the description box. If you're new here, hi. Please don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down anything you want, any questions you have, any fun questions you have. Do not hesitate. I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care.